So next topic is cranial nerves. Cranial nerves. Cranial. So what is the cranial nerves? How many cranial nerves are there? So what is the cranial nerves? Which nerves are origin from the cranial and ends into that cranial region? Which nerves are origin from the cranium and end also into the cranium? That is, nerves are known as a cranial nerves. Which nerves are origin from the cranium? Or which neurons or which nerves? Which neurons or nerves are origin from the brain, and ends into brain. What I am saying? Origin into brain and ends into also brain. It is origin same area and ends into same area. That is known as a cranial nerves. Very, very important. What is the cranial nerves? Which nerves are origin in brain and ends into the brain? That is called as a cranial nerves. How many cranial nerves are there in human beings? There is a containing 12. How many? 12 pairs of the cranial nerves are there. 12 pairs of the cranial nerves are there. 12 pairs of cranial nerves. In this 12 pairs of the cranial nerves, exception of the two pairs, remaining are origin from the medulla oblongata. The remaining two are origin from the midbrain. Sorry. So how many in this 12 pair? 10 pairs are, very important, 10 pairs are originated from, 10 pairs are originated from medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata nothing but the stem of the brain. Stem of the brain nothing but the third portion, that a hind limb, the hind brain containing a long extension, that is called as a medulla oblongata. That is called as a brain stem. It's originated from the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata. The 10 pairs are originated from the medulla oblongata. The exception of the two. In this 12, there is exception of the only two pairs are originated from which region? Midbrain. So the medulla oblongata is a hind brain. Clear? Medulla oblongata is a hind brain. The two pairs are originated from the hind brain, last brain. So that is not. So what is the two pairs are originated from the midbrain? The third pair and fourth pair. Sorry. Third pair and fourth pair. These two pairs are originated from the midbrain. These two pairs are originated from the midbrain. The 10 pairs are originated from the hindbrain, nothing but a special region of the medulla oblongata. Clear? So in this region, the two first, second and eighth nerves, very important. First, second, eighth nerves are very special nerves. Nothing but it is known as sensory nerves. Clear? Like that. Sensory nerves are first, second and eighth nerves. First, second, eighth nerves are called as sensory nerves. Clear? Second one, motor nerve, very important. Motor nerves are second and fourth. Second nerve, fourth nerve, very, very important. Second nerve, fourth nerve, sixth nerve, second, fourth, sixth, 11th nerve and 12th nerve. Second, fourth, sixth, what is that, 11th and 12th nerves are known as motor nerves. Next one, third one is mixed nerve. Mixed nerves. How many mixed nerves are there? Let's see the mixed nerves. What are they? Third, fourth, sixth, 11th and 12th. Next one, mixed nerve is third, fourth. Next one, fifth nerve, seventh nerve, fifth nerve, seventh nerve, ninth nerve, 10th nerve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth nerve. So these nerves are mixed nerve. Sensory nerves are 1, 2, 3. Motor nerves are 3, 4, 6, 11, 12. Mixed nerves are 5, 7, 10, 9. So these are mixed nerve. Are you clear? So these are also doing a very special functions for the sensation, motor reaction, and there is doing sensory and motor reactions. So what is that? The cranial nerves are, what is the cranial nerve? Which nerves are originated from the cranium region and ends into the cranium? Those nerves are cranial nerve. But exception of the one nerve, only the one nerve is known as the 10th nerve of the vagus. The vagus nerve is origin from the 10th nerve is a mixed nerve, is origin from the medulla oblongata and passing into visceral region. So it is origin from medulla oblongata and passing into, or nothing passing means ends into visceral region. Very, very important. Which one? All are this one, like that. Next one, the very important special characters of the 10th nerve. Special characters of the 10th nerve is known as vagus nerve. Vagus nerve. The vagus nerve is origin in which region? Medulla oblongata and ends into visceral. Ends are nothing but passing through the passing means end, you can write only end into visceral organs. Ends into the visceral organs. It is a one of the special character. Clear? All are starts origin from the brain and end with brain. So, but exception of this 10th one, origin from the brain and end with visceral organ. So these are 12 pairs of the nerves are there in the cranial nerve. But the spinal nerve containing 31 pairs of the nerve. These are containing only 12 pairs. The spinal nerve containing 31 pairs. So these 10 pairs of the nerves are originated from the medulla oblongata of the hindbrain. Okay, clear. Next one, third and fourth pairs are originated from the midbrain. So next one, midbrain of the cerebral peduncles. Very important. These two are originated from the midbrain of cerebral peduncles. Clear. The first one, what is sensory organ? Like that. Now we are discuss. What is that sensory organ? What is the name? What is the specific names of the sensory organs? What is the functions? Where it is originated? What is that main action? Main action means main functions of these sensory organs.